Friends, if you are considering buying a 5G smartphone in mid-budget, then there is good news for you. Samsung is going to launch another great smartphone under its A series. In this great smartphone, you are going to get the features of a flagship smartphone at a low price. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. If you also want to buy this smartphone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. In this great smartphone, you are going to see a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, which will come with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. And for the safety of this display, Gorilla Glass 7 protection will be given. An IP68 rating will be given to protect it from water and dust. Camera setup. In Samsung Galaxy A56 you will get to see the setup of triple camera, whose main camera is going to be 108 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, there will be two other cameras of 12 megapixels and 8 megapixels. With this you will be able to do amazing photography. Apart from this, a 32 megapixel selfie camera can be provided in it. Processor. In this phone you will get to see the great processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So that you will be able to experience multitasking and great gaming in it. And if we talk about the operating system, this smartphone will be launched with Android 15. Battery backup. Inside this smartphone, you will be provided with a powerful battery of 5500 mAh, which will come with Type-C charging socket with 85-watt fast charger. Price or launch date. No official information has been received from Samsung about the price of this phone yet. But according to leaks, it can be launched under $400. And talking about the launch date, it can be presented at the end of this year.